हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन. Two rifles fire the same number of bullets in a given interval of time. The second fires a bullet of mass twice that are fired by the first with the velocity that of half of the first. The ratio of their powers. तो पावर्स क्या होगा? एफ थ्रस्ट इंटू वी, राइट. और थ्रस्ट क्या हो जाएगा? एन इंटू एम वी बाई टी इंटू वी, राइट. So that is equal to n by t mv square. So the rifles same number of the bullets in a given interval. तो यानी कि n by t तो कांस्टेंट हो गया, है ना. The second fire bullet a mass of twice that are fired by the first and with a velocity. यानी कि अब जो पावर डिलीवर्ड है वो डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल है mv स्क्वायर के. So power of 1 divided by power of 2 is equal to mass of bullet 1, mass of bullet 2 and velocity of square of bullet 1, velocity of square bullet 2. So mass, the second fires bullet of mass twice that fired the first. तो अगर इसका मास m है तो इसका मास 2m हो गया. With the velocity fired by the first and with the velocity that is the half that of the first. तो ये हाफ हो जाएगा, तो ये हो गया आपका v स्क्वायर बाई 4. सो बच्चों रेशो आ जाएगा 2:1. सो राइट आंसर इज 2:1. ऑल द बेस्ट.